Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ITUS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you are new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this analysis on quite a few occasions, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price action, definitely a lot of updates here needing to be made, and to the point where from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion with lines all over the place. So I'm just going to go ahead and use these annotations for some of the nearer term levels that need to be marked out. Yeah, they still do pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant, and I don't want to have lines all over the place. So let's first start by talking about a couple levels of resistance. And the key area of resistance going into tomorrow, right up here at $4.15. Now, yes, I realize the price did technically push up through that mark, but I think we can all agree that for the main part, the majority of the congestion happened right there around the $4.15 mark. Now, if you want to call it, the highs of today, that's fine. But like I said, in my opinion, the main price congestion area is right around 415. So that is where that number is coming from, from that perspective. So that'll be a key hurdle going into tomorrow. As far as levels of support are concerned, ideal level of support, meaning Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best? Oh, that makes it easy. $3.15. So 415, that level of resistance, and then 315, that ideal level of support. You can see on a couple different occasions today, the bears did actually try to push down through it, both there and then there, but to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did a great job of holding strong. So if that can continue to happen, that'll definitely be a huge sign of power. However, taking a step back, looking at the big picture of it all, it's all about that purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. And as I've talked about in past videos, as long as that purple line, which is going to keep on moving higher and higher, as long as the price stays above the purple line, then the bulls are in full control, full health, no questions asked. So if you're somebody that's just saying, I would just want a very simplistic way to measure the strength of the move, this right here being defined as the move, again, as long as the price stays above the purple line, bulls are in full strength, full health, full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. So a great start to the week. It'll be interesting to see how much further the bulls can build upon this momentum. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.